Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install QGIS on Windows operating system. In Google, search for QGIS. Then click on this official QGIS site, that is qgis.org. Click on download now. Download for Windows. Click on get QGIS LTR. LTR means long term release. See, download has been started. See, its size is 1.1 gigabytes. Wait until this download completes. Download has been completed successfully. Click on this QGIS OS Geo 4W MSI file. See, this is the setup console. Click on next. This is the license overview. I accept terms in the license agreement and click on next. This is the destination folder. If you want to create desktop shortcut and start menu shortcuts, you have to select this and click on next. If you want to change anything, go back and change, then come forward. Click on next. Click on install. If you receive user account control permission pop-up, click on yes. Installation has been completed successfully. Click on finish. Now open QGIS. Maximize this one. See, this is the path. If you want to add layers, you have to add. These are different tools. If you want to add layer, just add one. You have to select Database. So in this video we have seen how to download and install QGIS on Windows operating system. The process is same on Windows 10, 11, Server 2012, 16, 19 or 22. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.